Assalamualaikum everyone, it's Muhammad Adnan here and I hope you are doing well. In this video, I will be introducing you to latest update of Facebook Blaster Pro 3.2.0, and this going to be a very short overview of updates or the new features we have added into this tool. For previous full tutorials, you can check description. I will add the link where we have fully explained each and every function of this software. First of all, I want to bring your attention to very game-changing feature that we have added in this update is scheduling. Means you can schedule any function of this software for any specific time to get trigger and work for you. Means if you want to send message to your friends at a specific time or do group posting, wall posting or other features you want to use at any specific time for today, you can schedule them in advance and the software will automatically go trigger at the specific time you have scheduled it for. If you will click on here schedule jobs button, it will be basically showing you all tasks you have scheduled for today. So you can basically check one, delete one or let them run whenever the time will came, it will automatically go trigger. I will give you a very relatable example but later. First let's move on to next feature that we have added into it. In all-in-one grabber we have added a new button that is saying followers. Basically before you were only able to scrap any group members, it can be similar or new members, but now we have make the same input for any Facebook page ID or Facebook username or Facebook user ID of any profile. Basically you can enter here and scrap their public followers if they are available. So for example, I have added here a page username and I click on followers. It will be basically scrapping from their profile whatever publicly available followers. It will scrap them and add them into software so you can export or use for other purposes. So for example, we have 24 followers extracted. So here you can see their name and their user ID. So you can let it scrap all day or you can stop whenever you want. So for example, let's stop it at 56 followers. So this is new feature that we have added, is that you can scrap now anyone's follower by adding their username or Facebook user ID. The other feature that we have added into this software is in wall poster. Basically before we were using this feature only for posting on our friends timeline. So basically when someone gonna visit their profile, they're gonna see our product and gonna contact us if they need or whatever we are promoting. But now we can do same with page mentions as well. Means we can search our competitors pages and we can mention our products or our services on their pages too. So let's go in all-in-one scrapper and search from here. For example, we are looking for social media marketing pages and we click on search pages. Here you can basically set up the location, category, whatever you want, but anyway it will be basically going to their in here and start scraping the pages list available in here. So for example, we have scrapped 23 IDs, pages IDs. We can see here their ID and their name. Now we can go in wall poster, we can select page mentions, we can select the profiles we want to post it from, we can add our image that we want to post it there, and we can add our text. For example, this is testing, we have added, and let's click on start wall posting. In here you can see another dialog that is saying schedule wall posts. It's mean you can set here a time for today. For example, I want to post it for a specific time at like for example 4 p.m. and or it can be like 4 p.m. I want to for example schedule it for. I can click on schedule button and it will be automatic schedule for this specific time, or if I want to start it now I can click on send now and it will be immediately start. So basically we will try the schedule later. Let's click on send now, and it will be start going to their profile. And like for example, this page has 165k followers. Our page, our post, whatever we are mentioning here will be very worthy of it to try. So for example, we go there on their page, we go in mentions, and we post our stuff that we want to post. As well, it will be basically giving us the report if it got posted or not, and what is the post link. If you will go in report, and you will be seeing here, this is account that we have posted from, this is the name, id, and the status, and the link and status if it got posted or not, state. So basically it will be going on for each and every like page, and we'll be basically mentioning our stuff in on there. Like as you can see, it has opened the second page. Go to their mention and add our post there. So whenever someone will visit their page, and like they will be basically seeing our stuff as well in their mentions. So let's for now stop it, stop function. And you can see, as we can use this software for now for page mentions as well. Now let's move to next feature. The next feature that we have added into this software is in more features and engagement. Basically, before you were only able to use this share to groups feature for to share posts in groups, but now you will be able to share marketplace products into groups too. So basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna be copy the link of product, you're gonna select here the account you want to post from, and you're gonna be select here how many posts like how many groups you want to be posted this time. So basically if you have added here two, it's mean it will be sharing from in first two groups from this account, first two group from second account. So as we have here skip first 0, so it's mean it will be basically start with starting to. Now tomorrow you want to share again, so you can add here for like 2, so it will be basically skipping the first 2 and move to the next 2. So then next day you can add here 4. So in this way basically you can manage it in logical way. I'm not sure if you have understand. If you didn't, just watch the older video in where I have explained everything in detail. So for example, here we added the link, we selected account, we check share to groups, we added the caption we want to be on post, and we click on boost engagement. Now it will be basically opening that marketplace post. It is not fine. I have just copy any existing from marketplace. It will be like sharing that post, going in groups, and opening one of group, and adding our caption, and will be basically posting in it. So this same stuff you could do from multiple accounts from like using this software. So as for example, the posted to groups Pakistan community, as we have added here 2 from each profile, so it should be opening again and doing from in second group from this account as well. So it open, now it should be going to for Facebook marketplace. Yeah, you can see the Pakistan community skipping. Now it has posted to Facebook marketing 2000 groups. So like in this way it would be basically posting your products into multiple accounts. So you can use this engagement for any of existing or any of your own ideas, like you can manipulate anything. Now let's move to next feature. The next feature that we have added into this software is in more features and listing. So basically now you can use this software for marketplace posting as well. So for that, basically you're gonna create one folder. Within one folder you're gonna create the folders with 1 2 if you have different listing different products. If you just want one product to be posted, then you're gonna be creating that, and there you're gonna create one folder for images, one description.txt file in which basically you're gonna be putting your description. In images you're gonna put all your images you want, and in data.json you basically going to be add your this will be pre-written, I will be sending you, so you can just change the title. So for example, here we have Facebook Blaster Pro, you can change it to anything else, and the price you can change it to anything else, the category you can change. This will be basically you have to basically specify exact from here. Like for example, if I'm opening this account, I'm going in marketplace, create new. So for example, I want here the conditions or category, I have to specify exact same. Like if it is garden, GARDEN, I gonna be adding that here, GARDEN. So basically in same way, like you are not gonna be changing its format, it is case sensitive, so you're gonna put same as it is. If it is video games, you're gonna put in same way. Like for example, video games. Same goes with condition, you're gonna be use same, like new, you have added new. If you want the other one, like condition to be used good, let's add that, used good. In it should be exact same, like no changes. And the location, for example, we want here New York, New York, New York City, New City, New York City, for example. This one we want. So we're gonna be adding here New City, New York, and the location type is this one, the city. If it is other one like this one, Menthon, NY, and this all, you have to put the same in location type. If it is just like this in city, we have added here city. As for example, we want New York, New York City, so we have to put the location type, the below one, and the location, the upper one. So let's for example test this one, and now we close it. Let's close everything, go back to listing, we select this account, you're gonna be selecting the main folder, not the 1 2 3 1. So in here you can set like how many posts you want on each profile. So it can be like per profile, mean how many posts you want on this account. If it is one, it will be just go and post one. If it would be multiple, it would be like repeat the same process multiple times. So let's continue it. For example, it opened this marketplace. It goes create marketplace. It will be taking item for sale, as we have mentioned there, the category of our product, and it will add our image that we have added into images folder, and will put title, price, category. So for example, we have added there the garden one, it gonna select the guard like the video games one, it select that one. The location like condition we added used good, it selected that. The brand, it select automatic. The location, as you can see, it will be selecting the same one that we have added, New York new city, and it would be publishing it. So this is how basically you can use it for different types. We have different kind of this data.json. So for example, house for sale or rent, we have this specific, you're gonna copy paste and you're gonna change its values. For vehicle for sale, you're gonna be basically copy paste this one and change its values. Now let's move to last one, the schedule schedule function I was promised to told you about. So let's go in more features, processes. For example, let's add this image and add this text. So let's, for example, we want to post it, we click. Now in here basically it would be automatic set to current time. The current is 12:33 p.m. it selected that time. Now if I want to increase, for example, I want to set it for 1 p.m. so it would be now it will be like 1 p.m. 33, it would be scheduled at for that specific time. So if I will click on schedule, it would just disable this button. I won't be able to click on here, but if I will be going in schedule jobs, I can see this job is scheduled for this time. If I want to delete it, I can. If I want it to be run on that specific time, let it be there. So for example, we want to delete it, and let's for example schedule it again after 1 minute and schedule. Now you can see in schedule jobs, this is scheduled for that specific time. We are unable to click on this button anymore. Like if in meantime, if I want to schedule any other thing like this function for after this time, or like after 1 hour, I can schedule multiple functions at a time, but I cannot schedule one function multiple times. That is how I have added it. Now let's see, like for example, after 1 minute it should be start, it is 34, or here we go. Now as the time came, it opened this basically this Facebook account and goes for posting, added our image and start to add our text, and basically will be posting our the text that we want to post. So as you can see, it has posted it, and will be closed as well. If you will check schedules, there is nothing anymore because this job got triggered, and now I can even schedule another one. So that's how it gonna be working. Thank you, have a nice day, and if you want to contact me for this software, check bio, or you can visit blasterprotools.com and contact me there. Have a nice day.